Welcome back to another episode of Flip Crazy. Be sure to check out our Instagram. Link will be in our description. Boom!
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 Yeah.
It's just me, myself, and I.
Boom!
Solo ride until I die, 'cause I got me for life.
Oh,
Boom!
I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night
Boom!
is cold. I got that fire in my soul.
And as far as I can see, I just need privacy.
Boom!
Plus a whole lot of tree, fuck all this modesty. I just need space to do me, get away what
Boom!
they're trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me. A Ferrari, I'm
Boom!
a class
Didn't
of the
land on the
same
plate,
I get
but
what I want when I want, 'cause it's
still
not
landed.
driving me, yeah. I just need to be alone. I just need to be
Boom.
alone. Understand what I'm speaking on. In time is money, I
Boom.
need a loan. But regardless, I'll always keep
Boom.
on. Fuck fake friends, we don't take
Boom.
L's, we just make M's. While y'all follow, we just make trends. I'm right back to
Boom.
work when that break ends. Yeah.
Boom!
It's just me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die, 'cause I got me for life.
Got me for
Boom.
life. Yeah.
I don't need a hand to hold, even when the night is cold. I got that fire in my soul.
Boom!
Thank you guys for watching another video here at Flip Crazy. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure, like I said in your intro, be sure to check out our Instagram. The link will be down below. So go check that out. Go follow that. And if we hit 1K by the end of the year, what should we do?
Let's see.
Maybe a giveaway?
Yeah, giveaway. Modded account from Black Ops 2.
Or anything that you want, giveaways for free. So that's been us here, Flip
Oh.
Crazy.
And guys, the Instagram name should be on the screen right about now. And get
Be sure to check out that name, that should have been up then, and make it go.
Boom!
Boom!